and welcome to Emborg Home Baking. I'm Jessica Ting from Miss Shortcakes, and today's treats are butter cookies. Now, what I'll do is I'll also start separating the eggs first. The easiest way to start doing that is to crack the whole egg into your bowl, and I'm going to use my hands as a sieve and just gently pick up the yolk, shake away the egg white, and pop that into another bowl. Done. Okay, so with the dry ingredients, I'm going to start sifting. I'm going to add in my salt, 3/4 teaspoon into my flour. Just give it a light stir. And we want to sift it into the bowl just to remove any excess lumps. And this will also aerate the flour nicely. Okay, so we're going to start to cream the butter and the sugar. So with a paddle, I have softened butter here, and also a full packet of Emborg unsalted butter. So the sugar goes in, all in one hit. Then I'm also going to add in my vanilla. Okay, on a medium to high speed, we're going to start to cream the butter. So this will take a couple of minutes until the butter becomes light and fluffy. So while that's going, I'm going to prepare my tray. I've got some butter bits left over here, so I'm just going to use that on the tray. Then I'm going to take my parchment paper and I'm going to stick it down. So we're almost there now. The butter is going very light and creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the speed down to low, and I'm going to add in one yolk at a time. Okay, so now we have our sifted flour, and we're going to stop the machine and we're going to add that all in one go. Okay, so now that the flour is in, you have to make sure that you don't crank all the speed up all the way up, okay? So at this point, you don't want to overmix the batter. You don't want it to become tough. Okay, now we're going to add in 3 teaspoons of milk, 2, and that's it. So again, just another very quick mix, and that's it. Okay, so the dough should look like this. Okay, now it's time to pipe the cookies. I have a piping bag, and I also have a star tip nozzle. Pressing a little bit out into the bowl first, because sometimes there's air pockets and you want to get rid of that first. You can go round like that and space them out, let's say one inch apart, because they will expand in the oven. So I'm going to switch now to my cookie press because I like the press. It's very easy to use. Okay, so I'm just going to unscrew it like this, and then I will fill my press. Okay, so this acts as a compressor. It will push the batter down. Then you just have to screw it on. Now we're going to start pressing. So it's just as easy as this, okay? Push down one notch, pick it up. See? Pretty. Okay, to make it more pretty, I've got some red glacé cherries, and I need to chop them up into small dice. Okay, so we'll take one little cherry and we'll just pop it in the middle like that. It makes it look much prettier and way more delicious. And the last one. Okay, that's it, done. See how pretty they are and how fast and easy that was? So preheat your oven at 175°C and we're good to go. And there you go, they're done. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. I hope you'll give this recipe a try at home. You can find this full recipe online, and happy baking!